So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting a gray folder icon kind of on your Mac display. So you might be seeing that on your Mac display, you might be going through and getting some sort of a little type of, gray folder icon. And you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and fix it. Now, it's fairly common. The first thing you want to do is you just want to go ahead and force restart your Mac. So try going through and seeing if you're essentially able to force restart it, which means try going through, holding down that power button until your Mac completely restarts, and give it a few moments. Let it completely shut down, let it completely restart, and then hold down that button again to power it up. Sometimes you might just have to go through and try it that way, and that might end up fixing it up for you. So it's not an everyday thing that this will happen, but if it does, just try force restarting it. Now, what you can also do is try going through and try booting it up in safe mode, safe boot, if you have an Intel. If you have an Intel Mac, turn off the Mac, hold down that button, go through and turn it on while holding down the shift button. So keep holding it down and hold down that shift button until the Apple logo appears. And then if it boots up, your startup disk may need repair. So just kind of keep that in mind, which is, step 5 later on that I'll talk about. You can also try going through and essentially see if you can go through and use an internet recovery to basically reboot back into and reinstall your particular device. So what this means is basically you go into your safe boot that you're in now while holding shift, and you want to go ahead and from the recovery menu, choose reinstall macOS. So if you're able to get into safe boot, click reinstall macOS, and you want to follow those prompts on the display to go through and reset your Mac. You will need Wi-Fi to do this, so keep that in mind, and it will also reinstall macOS without erasing any of your files. So that is a nice thing. You're going to be able to use your Mac that way, but it will go through and it'll kind of, have to redo some stuff on your machine, so kind of keep that in mind. But regardless of that, you do have that type of capability when it comes down to it. Those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.